Yes, let's try to understand what is mole and what do you mean by molar mass. In chemistry, we are dealing with very small entities like atoms and molecules, right? It's all about atoms and molecules. These are very small, extremely small particles. And when we take some amount of a substance, maybe element or compounds, the number of atoms or molecules that are contained in that substance is huge. It's unimaginable. In fact, this big a number. So as we count numbers, like in chunk, like say 1 dozen of 1 dozen of item means 12 items. That means 1 dozen of eggs or 1 dozen means 12 eggs. 1 dozen of bananas means 12 bananas, right? And similarly, one score means 20 items. One gross means 144 items. So one mole is how many? Is how many items? Is 60221367000000000000 items or elementary entities. In scientific notation is written as 6.022 in 10 to the power 23 elementary entities, which may be atoms, which may be molecules, particles, or ions, and it's been denoted by symbol Na, and it's known as Avogadro constant. That means 1 dozen is 12, one score is 20, one gross is 144, one mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 entities or particles. And this number is a constant called Avogadro constant. So it's honoring the Italian scientist Emilio Avogadro, who proposed the Avogadro's law of gases. Actually, one mole is nothing but it's used to measure the amount of a substance, and it's denoted by symbol N. Amount of substance is denoted by symbol N, which is one of the 7 basic units that we use in science, like length, for measuring mass, for measuring time, then temperature, then electric current, luminous intensity, then amount of substance is measured in. Similar amount of substance measured in N in moles. Short form is MOL. So 1 mole of hydrogen atoms, it contains Avogadro number of entities. It will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 entities, or 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen atoms. Similarly, 1 mole of water molecules means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 water molecules. And 1 mole of sodium chloride means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 sodium chloride units, sodium ions and chloride ions. It's what it's written here. But there is an interesting thing that is related to 1 mole of a substance. Like, we are able to know its molar mass. So what is molar mass? Molar mass of a substance is nothing but the mass of 1 mole of a substance. The molar mass of and it will be and the molar mass of a substance will be numerically equal to the atomic mass or the molecular mass of the substance or formula mass of the substance with the unit gram. For example, the molar mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 gram. Why? Because the formula mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 U. So the atomic mass of sodium is 23 and that of chlorine is 35.5. That is 58.5 U. That is the formula mass of sodium chloride. And the molar mass will be same. Numerically it will be same, 58.5, but with the unit gram. And how many entities will be there in the 1 mole of NaCl? It will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 entities. That is Avogadro constant. Similarly, 1 mole of water means its weight will be 18 gram, because the molecular mass of water is 18 U, so its molar mass will be 18 gram. And how many particles will be there? There will be Avogadro number of particles, or 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles water molecules. So when we are saying mole, it has two dimensions. Either it's meaning the number of particles that is there inside the substance, which is equal to the Avogadro constant, Avogadro number, and it also indicates the mass of the substance, which will be numerically equal to the atomic mass or molecular mass of the substance with the unit gram.